Hey guys, welcome to Awesome Shorts, and today in the first video of our channel I'm gonna tell you how to make an intro for your YouTube channel, an intro which will be cool, clear and free. So let's start the video. So the first step to make an intro is open your browser and on youtube.com search for intro templates. There are thousands of videos available. Choose any one of them. After selecting the template, go to the respective link given in the description. Then download the video template from the link. Now this is the most important step. In any video editor, type the name of your YouTube channel and place it correctly on the timeline. You can use the reference video on YouTube. Also, don't forget to give some extra effects, special effects to your YouTube text. And that's it. You have a clean, cool intro for your YouTube channel, absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Upload more videos on your YouTube channel. But don't forget to subscribe Awesome Shorts. We'll be coming up with some awesome stuff on this channel. So subscribe, like, share and comment down the topics you want to see. So that's it for this video, the first video of the YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.